The time to work on balance is before you're injured. So take an opportunity when you're out on your movement. If you come across something that allows you to balance or work on active balance or dynamic balance, take advantage of the opportunity. In my case, I get the advantage of also having the Labradors pull on me, which gives me a little perturbation, which challenges my balance a little bit more. So I get to work out with my dogs. I get to work on balance. In addition to the cardiovascular work I'm getting on this trail jog, and I'm making myself more resilient to injury. So keep that in mind. Move often, move more, and look at movement as a lifestyle and not just an activity. Another movement tip and lifestyle hack from FitLab PGH.